Hey guys, we received this Excel, Word, or PowerPoint Windows mousepad for test and try. So non-slip and waterproof, large gaming office, PC desk or anything you want to use for. And they are the nice like this have the shortcuts on it. So let me just show it to you. So you see like the nice mousepad with a non-slip thing, largest the things, and it have a printed of all the shortcuts here. So it have the Word, Excel, all these shortcuts here that you can see with the windows and everything, so you can easily refer to it while working on it. It's very soft and comfortable, 27.6 in the length and around 11.8 in the width. So you can see it's very soft, comfortable. Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Windows shortcut and everything in here. So it's printed really well, waterproof, non-slip and the edge locking. So really nice mouse pad. You can also put your laptop in, and the mouse works really nice with a smooth move. No issues in the working, and is non-slip, so holding really well. I can also put my laptop and the keyboard directly on it. So nice big mouse pad.